everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. We're pleased to have you here again with us. Today we want to show you how we made this leafy neck piece, right? For this piece, there are different ways you can make it. You can choose to make just a one layer chain and single crochet, or just a one layer chain for it, and then wrap it around the neck as many times as possible. This way you have a full leaf look. Or you can just do this one layer of the leaves and then work it up as a choker. All right, today we're just going to show you how to make this so that you are the one who would determine for yourself all the bells and whistles you want to add to it. As you can see in this one, we added some beads. This is a choker. All right, we added some beads to it, and then we added a button to fasten. See that? We added a button to fasten. So this is what we have here. All right, here's the front view. Okay, we also made some earrings, which we'll be showing you later on as we go along. So see you back here. Welcome back. As usual, we are going to use a bright colored yarn to show you this technique. This is to enable you to see clearly what it is that we are doing as we do it. So I don't know if you're new to my channel. I'd like for you to check out other tutorial videos and other inspirational videos that you might like. Do subscribe to stay tuned to what we have in store every week. As a matter of fact, every week we're posting new tutorial videos, we're posting inspirational videos and the likes. So without further ado, let's just dive into this technique. All right, so essentially we're going to start by chaining. I'm going to work with them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. I'm going to be separating each leaf with 6 chains. Now that's the 6th chain I've just created. Then I'm going to create an extra 10 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For these 10 chains, the additional 10 chains, right? This is where we're going to be working the leaves. Okay. The first chain we're going to be working from the second chain. We're working into the second chain from our hook. So the first thing we're going to do is slip stitch, right? Then the next chain we're going to single crochet. The next chain we're going to half double crochet. The next chain we're going to double crochet. The next chain we're going to triple crochet. All of these techniques, we have videos on how to work them, all up in our how to fold them on our YouTube channel, so you can check that out. And then after the triple crochet stitch, we're going back down. So a double crochet, a half double crochet, single crochet, and then a slip stitch. Notice we have our 6 chains left. All right, so we're going to turn this leaf this way because we're going to be working on this side. Now some people choose to leave the work this way. This way you have a leaf, different species of leaves, so this leaf is actually complete in itself. However, I like to make a double-sided leaf, which would include me working on this other side. So I continue by slip stitching, and then in the next chain, I single crochet. The next one, half double crochet. The one following that, an actual double crochet stitch. The one following that, triple crochet. Final one, the double crochet stitch next. And you have to ensure to pick up the 2 loops. you're doubling your yarn, or yarn strands rather. And the next one, we're gonna have the half double crochet stitch. The next one, we're gonna single crochet. And the last one is the slip stitch at this tip. Right, watch that tip. We're just gonna slip stitch and then chain. Now the purpose for this is I'm gonna walk back to this point. So how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna just be picking, slip stitching into the center. You see here, slip stitch to the center, slip stitch to the center, slip stitch to the center, slip stitch. This creates that middle line vein we see in natural leaves. So I'm going to keep doing this all the way to the end of the leaf. Stitch. Something. Stitch. And there. Stitch. Final slip stitch in here. So look at that. This is what you end up with. This is the right side of the leaf. This is the wrong side of the leaf. Equally beautiful. Now when you've walked up to this point, you repeat the chain. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, right? Now you have a choice. You can make the spaces between your leaves as wide as you want it, or keep it as together as you like it. It's all your choice. Alright, so after the 6 chains, I'm going to chain 10 again. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, and as usual, like I did for the first leaf, I'm going to walk into the second stitch from my hook, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, turn, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and half double crochet, like that's a double crochet. Yeah, so now a half double, a single, and then the slip stitch, right, and then the tip and chain. Then again, slip stitch, down, slip stitch, slip stitch, sure to follow along the lines, along this particular line, this middle line, the vein of the leaf. Slip stitch, slip stitch. Did you know that apart from necklace, you can actually use this to create garlands, other decors for your home, for your office, and other living spaces? And then the final slip stitch up here. Look at that. Had to go reduce the sun rays from our table so you could see clearly. Okay, so here, this is the second leaf, and we have reached we've gotten back to the lace, the necklace itself. All right, so this is what you have. I'm gonna chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to give you a feel. So this is what you have at the end of the day. Okay. All right, so in order to thicken this lace, if you want to, some people wear it this way. I made one for a friend who actually loved it without the whole thick thing. Or you can choose to, chain an extra one, and then on the bottom, underneath the two loops, underneath these two loops, right? See that? There's this bottom loop here. Walk into that. Just single crochet stitch into that. Along, keep going. So this is 2. I think you're going to end up with 5 in each. So 2. Space, so 3 here, third one, so just before the leaf, you're gonna have 5. So this is 3, this is 4, and 5. See? Right. So the next last part. 1, one layer. You see that? So meanwhile, after making this leaf, you are at liberty to keep going for as long as the length you want. You want it to just go around the neck once. You measure, an average length for a choker would be about between 14 inches to 16 inches long. Now you can make it double that if you want to wrap it around your neck for as many times as you wish. And then, like I said, if you want to make it really thick, you can go this single crochet route or double crochet depending on what you want, right? And then if you want it higher as well, you could this one. There is no limit to what it is you can do with it. You can keep going, walking the single crochet stitches upward, until you achieve this width, or even bigger if you want it. So I already have this length on the pink one, also on the orange one, so you can walk it up to this width, or this width, or this width, this width. Choose whatever. You can walk it all the way up here. All right, and then you can make this spaces here can also be a lot thinner, meaning instead of chaining maybe 6 in between, you can chain just 3, so you have the leaves a lot closer together. All right, so let me see what you get to do when you do it. You can tag me, or send me a message when you're done with it. Hope you enjoyed this. Happy crocheting. See you at our next video.